Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone number's in the description below. Please get those phone numbers and call every day. Even if you don't think it's doing no good, we have to try. Please subscribe to this channel. Please share my videos out. It would help me greatly. Please leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down, your comments. Let me know how you're doing. I would love to hear from you. I do read every one of my comments. Y'all, time is running out to get a package passed to protect the people's homes. The rent and the mortgage protection is running out very soon. Did you know 1/3 of the renters was not able to pay their rent in June? 20 million people are facing eviction. Come on, Congress, let's get something done. You drug your feet enough. If the people can't pay their rent, then the landlords is not able to pay their mortgage on that property. People will be evicted. Landlords will face foreclosure. This will make the banks and lending companies collapse. Sure, they've got money set aside to protect them from that, but do they have enough set aside? If we all got a stimulus check from the beginning, like other countries did, all of this could have been avoided. But our country, our government does not care. We are facing a deluge of bankruptcies. This could also have been avoided if our government cared. Companies that extended credit to people will not get paid. This will make those companies go under. This will make the people's credit go down to almost nothing. It will destroy their credit. Y'all, Nancy Pelosi again said that if they don't have a package done, they will work until it's done. They will forego their August recess. Something Mitch McConnell could have done with his cronies, but he didn't. He was thinking about himself. Y'all know I don't care for Nancy Pelosi, but she is our champion right now. She is the one that's helping us. The CDC said, and this is if you can believe the CDC, that we could wipe COVID out in a matter of a few weeks if everybody would wear a mask. Congress has said they would not make wearing a mask mandatory because it's against our constitutional rights. Like they've never done anything against our rights before. Now that wearing a mask could help us, they want to go by the book. It's just something to think about. Anytime I go somewhere, you better believe I got my mask on. It's just something to think about. We could be over this in just a few weeks. Y'all, when I was a kid, my mama always said, and you may wonder why I'm always saying stuff that my mama said and I never say anything about what my daddy said. My daddy died when I was 3 years old of a massive heart attack, so I don't really remember my daddy. I have one little memory of my daddy, and it's so insignificant. It's just about 5 minutes long. But my mom always said when I was a kid that Republican was for rich people. She was always a diehard Democrat. I've always been a diehard Republican. And I never could understand what Mama meant by that. But now that I'm getting older, and all of this crap is happening, I'm beginning to understand what she meant. Y'all, I want to talk to you about this just for a minute. My other YouTube channel where I've been posting my vlogs. I'm going to start tomorrow every day posting business type videos over there. How to self-publish, how to run your own business online, that kind of stuff. It's going to mostly be self-publishing because that's what I did and that's what I was very good at, and I made a lot of money at it. So tomorrow, I'm going to start doing that every day. And I'm going to tell you up front, these videos are the same videos that I used to have on my channel, Self-Publishing with Walter Weyburn channel. I don't no longer have that channel, but I still got all the videos. I probably got about 400 videos. So each day I'm going to be publishing one of those. The information that's in those videos is still relevant. So you do those practices that I'm talking about in the videos, and you can still make a good self-publishing business online or any other business online. The things that I talk about mostly is self-publishing, but it would work for any business. So be sure and check that out. I'll be doing that every day. But I've tried doing my my vlog type videos here on this channel, and I just don't get enough views, and it's going to bring this channel down if I keep on doing it. I have seen a very big drop in views, and I believe it's because I've been putting those videos here. So those videos are going to start going over there all the time, and also the business type videos will go over there. So help me grow that channel. Get over there and subscribe to it. The link is in the description box below. Check it out and please subscribe to it and watch those videos every day. It would help me out tremendously. Y'all, we will get out of this thing. Next week and the week after is going to be a very busy week for Congress, and it's going to be a very busy week for these videos. We're going to have a lot of information coming your way. So please come back, subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates. And just know, if you see anybody out there saying a deal has been passed, they've got their numbers, they've got all these crazy clickbait numbers, don't believe it. It's not true. Nothing has been done yet. They're not even back yet. It's going to be next week before they even sit down and discuss it, which I believe has already been discussed, and I think they've already made their minds up, but we'll just have to wait and see. Nancy Pelosi has said that she's willing to compromise. If they give a bigger stimulus check, she will compromise and go down on the unemployment, and vice versa. She's willing to compromise, so she's willing to work with them. The question is, are they willing to work with her? It's going to be a dogfight, I can tell you that right now. And it's looking like they're wanting to push it all the way to the end date. That way they can send whatever they want passed over to Nancy Pelosi and her crew, and they won't have no choice but to approve it. Nancy Pelosi has got one up on them. She's not going to go out for a recess. So she's already called their bluff on that. Nancy Pelosi is our biggest ally right now. No, I'm not jumping on the Nancy Pelosi fan wagon. I still don't care for her. But she is our champion in this fight. She's the one that's going to help us. You see what Mitch McConnell and his bunch has done. So, y'all please come back. Watch these videos every day. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video out everywhere. And just know, I love you all, and we will get through this thing. Ciao.